This is Bot. He's a robot. He wakes up in a world and has no idea what to do. He takes a step, nothing happens. He presses a button, he gets a reward. Now imagine, everything he knows comes from that. This is exactly how AI learns. Not with understanding, not with intelligence, but with trial and error. Let's build the simplest AI possible. Imagine a small grid, a goal, a penalty, and of course Bot. Bot just wants one thing, points. At the start, Bot is completely clueless. He moves randomly up, down, left, right. Most of the time, he fails. But sometimes, he hits the green square. That's 10 points. Now something interesting happens. Bot remembers. That move was good. So next time, it's slightly more likely to repeat it. This is the entire secret of AI. Try something, get a result, adjust behavior, repeat, again, again, and again. At first, it looks random, but over time, Bot starts finding the goal faster, avoiding the red square, making better decisions. Remember this. Bot doesn't know anything. He doesn't understand the world. He just knows, this worked before, do more of that. Now imagine millions of robots, massive worlds, billions of attempts. That's modern AI. For example, when you use AI like ChatGPT and you ask something, it's not thinking, it's doing the same thing, predicting what works, based on what worked before. Now, why AI makes mistakes, and this is also why AI fails. If it learns the wrong patterns, it confidently gives the wrong answer. So AI isn't magic. It's not alive. It's not conscious. It's just really, really good at one thing, learning from feedback. Like Bot chasing points in a game.